I've finally gone ahead and bought a new bar from the car.
The city is up in the madness. The people is giving the damage. They turn into animal savage. So rhinos and hippos and mammoths. The hero was coming, I'm locked in.
Alright, welcome back to another episode of Simmonspf. Today, I've finally gone ahead and bought a new bar from the car. Marketplace fine, $1,400. This one's got the winch cradle and everything that I wanted. So we're going to attempt to get this bar and the sliders off and this one on all in one night because I need my car for tomorrow morning. So yeah, this could be an interesting episode. That bar's been on there for 40 years, so this could be quite a challenge to get off.
Alright, so we're just pulling off the bolts to the scrub bars. We're going to pull the bar off first because we want to know if we can just cut the end off this and put a clamp on and pull it to the ARB bar. But we're not sure if they're going to work, so we're going to pull the bar off first, put the ARB one on and see where these end up. But it might be a thing of taking these off and getting them changed and shit like that. A fucking 2-hour job just went from fucking 2 hours to 3 hours.
All because of that.
That's why you don't run through your grill, because if it goes to the grill, you got to run all the way back as well.
So we've pulled the aerials off. This one's going to be a bit of a pain in the ass to put in the new bar because I've got to run the wire all the way back from the unit again to get it out of this mount and put it in the next mount. The bar, we've pretty much got it off. There's just a couple more bolts holding it on. We've got the sidebars off, so get on the rattle guns again, slide it off. Look, when we picked the old bar off, we actually helped remove it and it was tight as anything, so it might be a bit of a challenge getting the new bar on. This old bar is coming off way easier than we thought. We literally didn't even have to smash them that hard with the rattle gun and it's basically falling off. So hopefully the next bar goes on just as easy as this one's coming off. Hurry up, this bar's heavy. The car looks huge now. No bar.
Like it looks like a crank. There we go.
Hey!
Oh my!
Bar's off.
Where's it going?
I don't know, but look at the size of my car. my car is huge.
Oh my!
Far out, mate. Have a look at this. That looks massive. After dancing around the car for the next 10 minutes, getting every possible Insta photo we could, we got straight back into getting the new bar on.
Alright, old bar's off. So we're going to pull off this old hook. That actually mounts the RB bar. And we're going to pull off these nuts and push the bolts out of the shackle, the leaf hangers. Because the new ARB bar actually slides over the front of them and it sits in there, so it's a tight fit between the two chassis rails, so it's nice and solid. Then I'm the only person that works on your car. Sam is pulling him out.
Oh, once. Because I nearly rolled.
So rhinos and hippos and mammoths. The hero was coming, I'm locked in. You know that I'm winning, I'm top 10. You know that I came from the dog pen. You want it, you get it, you drop dead. The rebel who came.
Alright, so the bar's off. As you can see, everything's out of the way. We've got rags on the ends of scrub bars in case they do contact, it's not going to scratch it. Probably a good time to put a coat of paint on, but
Can't be
Boyd's
arsed.
impatient. So
Just chuck the bar on.
let's get the bar on. Let's do it.
You want it, you get it, you drop dead. The rebel who came from the bottom. My enemies know that I got it. I'm planting my seeds in gardens, then watching them sprout and harvest. The greatest was always in my plans. Battle the kid is white flag.
But clearly we didn't look at it properly. So one, we didn't have any bolts on our hands.
Which
And
we
two,
now have.
there's like a bash plate under here. And the actual bull bar slides over that sort of cross member. So that'll have to come off as well.
I don't remember what size these things are.
Oh, thank God. Oh,
Oh.
come on, fucking straight in. Oh, push yours a bit more. Oh! Fuck, it didn't do that on Almost Car.
Holy, look at the bar, dude.
I'm fucking holding it on there.
It looks that good. So we've somewhat got the bar on. It looks a million times better than my old one. All that was now left is some final adjustments, and now here is the final result.
Bullbar's on. Looks mounted up like perfectly. No dramas whatsoever. These have like bugger all clearance on the when you shut the bonnet, but should be fine. Obviously we don't have a winch yet, so we don't have a winch.
Come.
We've got a light bar, but Boyd reckons he wants spotties, but I don't know. I reckon they look pretty good there, but Boyd reckons spotties,
So, light bar or spotties, let us know what you think. Let us know also what other videos you want to see. Like obviously this is a little bit different. Bit of an install, nothing professional, just yeah, rolling around in the dirt and chucking on a second-hand bull bar. So obviously nothing fancy. Bit different to our normal full drive content. So if you like this sort of video, a bit of behind the scenes, let us know. Let us know basically, yeah, what you want to see next, and if we're gonna run a light bar or spotties. Copy.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.